Tired of your Albert app balance just sitting there? Let's get that money into your bank account, pronto. First, make sure your bank account is linked and verified within the Albert app. If you haven't already, tap on the profile icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, find and select linked accounts here. You'll see a list of any bank accounts you've already connected. If your bank isn't listed, tap Add Account and follow the prompts to link your bank using your online banking credentials. Albert will usually verify your account instantly or may require a micro-deposit verification, which takes 12 business days. Once your account is verified, you're ready to withdraw. Go back to your Albert home screen now. Tap on the account you want to withdraw funds from. This could be your Albert cash balance or a specific savings goal. Look for and tap the Withdraw button. It's typically located near your balance or savings goal details. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Double-check that it doesn't exceed your available balance. Next, choose the bank account you want to transfer the money to. This should be the account you previously linked and verified. Review all the withdrawal details carefully, including the amount and the destination bank account, then confirm the transaction. Albert will now process your withdrawal transfers. Usually take 13 business days to appear in your bank account, and that's it. You've successfully withdrawn money from your Albert app. Go spend that cash.